Wagwan, everybody. I like when that little beat be coming on. I be like,
don't worry
about the thing. Every little thing. Little.
Baby.
Every little thing. It's gonna be alright.
Say hi to the people.
Oh, well, hey, I did. You didn't.
Hey, yo.
Hi, guys. And welcome to
Disney Channel.
Ding, 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 ding. Today, we just had a really long conversation that y'all missed about Jamaican sea animals. Because I know Jamaica's really beautiful, right? Like with all the water and whatnot.
Yeah.
And I know that Jamaican land animals say different sounds from our animals. So we just finna see. Here we go. The first one. I can't believe you've been having me making these animal sounds. God.
Let's use our imagination, guys. What do you think them animals be down there saying?
The first one, the only reason why I know what a whale says is because of my good friend Dory. Oh, she laid it plain out in that movie, Finding Nemo. It's one of my favorites. I can literally quote the whole movie. But whales be like, yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, we should talk whale from now on. Levy, why did you poop on me?
Poop on you.
What if somebody at the door listen to me?
Your daughter already looking at us like.
Sure. Oh my God. Let's speak whale from now on.
So what Jamaican whale say? Wombat Bruh. What crabs say? American crabs be like,
just give me my money.
yeah. Just give me my money.
Yeah.
I never thought of a crab doing that, and wow, your imagination is really working hard. I know what Jamaican crabs say.
Don't do it.
Under
Let
the
us see. It's not even a real Jamaican voice.
Take it from me.
Ariel. Levy.
Out in the sun, we play all day.
Hey.
I don't know the words. Something
Under
to
the
something.
sea, we off the hook.
Off the hook. Under the sea. And then the people in the background, the little fishes. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea.
Darling, it's better. Down here, it's wetter. Take it from me.
Yeah. Walk on. Pop.
Screaming.
Well on.
Yeah.
How you say seahorse?
Sea arse. Sea arse.
C-R?
Like C-section, sea arse.
You're like cussing in British.
How?
C-arse.
Arse.
Is that a cuss word in Britain? Or is it just a term?
Sea arse.
C-arse. I see an arse.
Livy.
Livy. Not too much. All right.
You think them nay? Like how land arse?
Like a land arse?
Like land arse be name? You think sea arse nay?
How they go? How they
Them laugh. Under the water, them probably.